SANRAD Storage SLA removes the last barrier to virtualization cost savings by assuring performance of high bandwidth application in virtualized environments. We will now demonstrate how SANRAD's SLA functionality can be used to protect an Oracle database even when it is running in a virtualized environment using Microsoft Hyper-V. Oracle SwingBench is currently simulating a load of about 1700 TPM. We will now show the effect of adding an additional application to the same environment. To simulate the additional load, we will use the I/O meter application, which will create a storage access load that will compete for storage bandwidth resources with our Oracle application. This simulates a very common scenario where an IT department has decided to virtualize its Oracle servers, gaining cost savings and increasing availability by placing its data on a SAN. However, additional applications such as the company's file server are already residing on the same SAN. The IT manager fears that a spike in demand from the file server will interfere with the Exchange server, causing bottlenecks and slow service for the Oracle users, or, even worse, a system failure. As can be seen, the additional load has indeed lowered the performance of the Oracle server down to about 1200 to 1300 TPM. We will now use SANRAD Storage Pro Management application to enable the storage SLA functionality. In this example, SANRAD Storage SLA will limit the bandwidth used by the interfering application to 5 megabytes per second. By limiting the interfering application in this way, we allow the Oracle application to access as much storage bandwidth as it requires. With SANRAD's dynamic management of storage SLA, the IT manager can simply protect the Oracle server storage bandwidth during critical hours, preventing any other application from lowering its performance. Notice how the SwingBench graph immediately shows the growth in performance. The average TPM continually increases as new high-performance data points are added. Another key benefit of SANRAD SLA is its tiered storage protection. For example, SSD, SAS, and SATA can be mixed on the same SAN, each providing its full bandwidth access without interference. SANRAD SLA assures your return on investment in tiered storage and virtualized environments.